Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a 360 flat. So, low battery. Come on, okay. So the first thing when it comes to 360 is you're going to want to have, know where your feet are going to be. You're going to want a good solid footing. I don't get how some people three and ski, but I like to have good grip on the deck so I don't lose it when I go into the three, because a lot of times when you're first learning threes, you'll go for it and you'll lose the deck. But a good way to learn threes really quickly is not let go of the deck. Just when you do it, come around, just put your foot down and come the rest of the way. That's a good way to get a feel for the motion of 360. The next thing you're going to want to do is be able to land 180s. You're going to want to have those down really well. And you can sometimes practice like 270s, and then like roll out or something, stuff like that. And you're going to really want to have the head turned down really well and try to keep a level deck. So try not to go like this, because then you can sometimes land in a back tire and it'll slip out from under you. But yeah, other than getting a good footing and knowing the motion, it's fairly easy. So I'll do one quick for you here. Oh, and another thing, when it comes to 360ing, you don't just hop in 360. You kind of push with your tire to the side a little, hop, and then turn. Yeah, that's how to 360. I hope this helps. Can't guarantee it first try, but yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.